you want to create a pre-sale, an IDO, or any kind of sale for your token on Solana, this is for you. I'm going to explain you how to use Smithii Token Launchpad in order to create your sale and raise funds for your liquidity pool, for your project, or for whatever you want in just 1 minute. For making it, you just need a token ready, okay? If you don't have one yet, here you have a tutorial on how to do it, and 0.1 Solana, which is the cost of using our tool. Let's start directly with the process. For creating our sale, we need to go to tools.smithii.io. In here, we will see a button saying create launch. Okay, so in here, we start directly by selecting our sale token. Okay, the token we are going to sell. So I created Zero Hardcap for this purpose, and it's a long story, a meme from Smithii, okay? Anyways, next step is selecting the payment currency, okay? Here we can select Solana, USDT, or USDC. This is the payment method that users will have for buying or on presale, okay? I will use Sol. We continue with the sale price. This is the price of our token, okay? How much Solana each users need to pay for buying our token. So, for example, I will use 0.0001. So here later we will see how much tokens we need to sell to presale, okay? Depending on the rates we select, which is the sale rate. It means how much hardcap we pay per sol or vice versa, okay? And the total fees we need to pay, that will be 0.1 or 0.2 if we want to create a whitelist phase, okay? Anyways, we continue with the liquidity pool launch price. This is only information for the users, okay? So we will say that the launch price for liquidity will be the same multiplied by 2, okay? Why not? And I highly recommend to make your tokenomics and prepare everything before. I will be making a video on how to create your tokenomics in a professional way. So don't worry, in the next 2 weeks we will have it ready. So anyways, we continue with the minimum buy. This is the minimum quantity that users will be able to buy on the presale. Okay, let's say that the minimum amount that users can buy is 0.1 sol. And now we continue with the maximum buy, which is same, the opposite. The maximum quantity that any user can buy with a single wallet. We will use 5 sol, for example. The soft cap is basically the minimum amount we need to consider the sale successful, okay? This is only for informational purpose for now. Then in the future, we will have features, so this will be automatic. If the sale doesn't reach this soft cap, everyone will be able to reclaim their sol they paid. Anyways, for me, the soft cap is 5 sol, and the hard cap is the maximum amount we are gonna raise. So I will put 50 sol. Here we can see how much hard cap tokens we need for the sale rate, and also the fees. We continue. Perfect. In here, in the step 2, we can add a whitelist phase and select the dates for our sale. I will show you but I won't create a whitelist phase. Here we can select the whitelist start date, the time that the whitelist sale will start. When the whitelist phase ends, okay, this is local time always. Here you can select the time you want. We can select also if we wanna put any limit for whitelist. It means if we put no limit, it means that we can reach the hard cap on the whitelist phase, but we can also put a limit. So it means that the maximum amount to be bought on whitelist phase will be this limit we put in here, for example, 10. So then the next step will be putting the sale price on whitelist, which is the token price on the whitelist phase. Usually this will be cheaper than the public phase price, 0.00009, for example. And we finish with the minimum amount to be bought on whitelist and the maximum amount to be bought on whitelist, 0.1 and 10, for example. To finish the setup of the whitelist, we need to add the whitelisted addresses. Okay, so here you can download a CSV where you can see the format your Excel should have. Okay, then you can upload a CSV and all wallets will be added. You can also add wallets manually. For example, I copy this one and I add it. Okay, so it's added already. Anyways, I won't use whitelist because I want it to be a public one. You can select wherever you want. So I will select the start date, the time that when my date will start, which is right now, okay, in 5 minutes, and the public date end date, which will be when the sale will finish. So I will put that it's finishing tomorrow at the same time. So we will have 24 hours for the sale. We click on continue and we go to the third step. In this third step, we just need to fill information which is like for the interface. This is not important information about the sale. This is just information we can share with users. Zero hardcap. Okay, I will use as description OFAC zero hardcap. We can add the Twitter. I will add my Twitter here. Why not? Okay, and we can also add the Telegram, the Discord. For roadmap, we need to upload an image. You need to put an URL in here. So you can upload it to any service you want and share the link in here so it will be loaded into the sale. I will use any random one I have here, for example this one, okay, and I will put it as roadmap. We can also add the website and a tokenomics image, okay. I won't add this because we won't have tokenomics, not roadmap. This is a test. So once we fill all the information, we click on continue, and here we have a launch preview. This is how our sale will look like. Okay, here you have the image, which is the token image, the name, the Twitter, which is linked there. You have here the token info, okay, the description, the minimum amount to be bought, the maximum, and the time for the public sale. Here we have some other info that we filled before. Here we can see the tokenomics, nice bird. And now we are ready. Once we check that all this information is correct, we can just click on create, okay. It will open a transaction. We need to pay 0.1 and send all tokens to the smart contract. We click on confirm. It will load a bit and we will have our sale created in just a few seconds. Perfect. Here we have success. Launch created successfully. And here we have the first launch created on a Smithii Launchpad and the zero hardcap sale created. Okay, as you can see here we have our link. Okay, you can share it with your community, with your investors, with any user, so you can make them buy. And here we have our pre-sale. The pre-sale starts in 40 seconds, so we will wait and we will buy our own sale. Before it starts, we can always edit the sale. Okay, so we can modify all this information. In this case we don't want to, so we can go back. Once the sale starts, you can't edit anything. So take that on account and ensure that all the information is correct, okay? We will wait, fast camera on. And now the sale has started. Now here you can see public sale ending in, and this is the progress bar, and we can buy, okay? I will buy one sold, why not? Here we can see how much tokens are we going to receive, okay? So we click on buy. We have available 5 sold in this phase. We click on buy, and here we have, okay, I'm not paying anything because I'm receiving the fees because this is my wallet. I will change my wallet and buy. Let's see if we can buy our own. We can buy our own token for sure, and we don't pay because we are receiving that money, okay? 97.5% of the payment is going to you. Smithii takes 2.5% as fee. So here we have, it's loading, and now we have sold 2%. Let me change my wallet and I will buy with another one, this one, okay? We refresh, we have our wallet connected in here, and we can now buy, let's try with 0.75, for example. Here is the quantity we are buying. We click on buy and let's see. Perfect. Here we can see we are sending this amount and we confirm we are buying. Perfect. Here we have success. We can check here the transaction. Okay, here we are setting the quantity and how it's distributed. This is going to our wallet. So perfect. Take on account that buyers won't be able to claim the tokens until there is a sold out. If we reach 50 sold in this sale, it will be sold out. So buyers will be able to claim their tokens or until the sale finish. In the meantime, you won't receive the tokens as buyer. Also, if the sale finish and you don't sell all tokens, you will have a button as admin to claim those tokens, withdraw those tokens from the smart contract, and you will be able to use them as you want as well. As you can see, it's really easy to create your token sale with the Smithii Token Launchpad. You just need to focus on the most important thing, selling your token. We take care of the tech. You don't need to worry anymore about it. So that's all for today. Hope you like it. Hope you like Smithii Token Launchpad, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.